Good morning, this is Mr. Ravinder Sega. Welcome to Einstein Education Channel. Today we are going to discuss about the psychology of childhood and adolescence in the B.Ed paper 3, Sem 1. So, psychology of childhood and adolescence is a very important paper in B.Ed curriculum, as well as those who are preparing for the Ctet examination and Tet examination. They will get 30 marks from this paper if they follow thoroughly to the lectures. Definitely they will get benefited by these lectures, and they will get the 30 by 30. So anyway, I congratulate everyone by entering in the Einstein Educational Channel. So today I would like to give the introduction about the psychology and the meaning and definition. So, psychology is an English word which is derived from two Greek words, psyche and logos. Psyche means soul, logos means study or science. Totally, the meaning of the psychology is study of the science. The word psychology was first coined by Rudolf Goeckel. It belongs to Germany. So, coming to the definitions of the psychology, the definition of the psychology is number one, that is, psychology is the study of the soul. Psychology is the study of the soul. And second one is psychology is the study of the mind. And third one is psychology is study of the consciousness. And fourth one is psychology is the study of the behavior. So if you want to analyze these definitions, first of all, psychology is the study of the soul. Soul is nothing but it is an abstract thing. So we can't see that soul. So if you want to see anything, if you want to prove anything, there must be a scientific evidence. But for the meaning of the soul, there is no scientific evidence. So that's why this definition was rejected. Why? Because there is no scientific evidence. If there is no scientific evidence, any definition is not existed. So that's why if you want to prove anything, there must be a scientific evidence. So that's why the definition psychology is the study of the soul is rejected. And second one is psychology is the study of the mind. So mind means it is also an abstract thing. Mind means it is also an abstract thing. We can't see the mind. So there is no scientific evidence for the mind. So that's why this is also rejected. This definition was also rejected. And next one, psychology is the study of the consciousness. Psychology is the study of the consciousness. Before we are going to analyze this definition, first of all, we have to know the meaning of the conscious. So our human mind is classified as broadly classified into three types, that is conscious state, unconscious state, subconscious state. Conscious, unconscious, subconscious state. Conscious state means whatever we are living, this present state, that is conscious. And unconscious means while we are dreaming, while we are sleeping, that is known as unconscious state. And subconscious state is, so whatever we hear, whatever we learn, whatever we see, that will be stored in the form of the in the subconscious mind. If you, for example, if we are preparing for a competitive examination, so that whatever the information that we are preparing, that information will be stored in our subconscious mind while we are writing the examination. So that information will be come from the subconscious mind to the present state. So that's why that is the subconscious mind. So mind is three types: conscious, unconscious, subconscious. So the definition is unconscious state. But unconscious, we can't see the unconscious state. So there is no scientific evidence for that. So that's why that definition was also rejected. And finally, one definition is succeed. That is, psychology is the study of the behavior, human and animal behavior. Psychology is the study of the human and animal behavior. So this is the standard definition of the psychology. So whenever anyone asks you about the definition of the psychology, you have to say the psychology is the study of the behavior. So if we come to the main important points in this topic, the term psychology is an English word which is derived from two Greek words, psyche and logos. And next one is the word psychology was first coined by the Rudolf Goeckel, and Rudolf Goeckel belongs to the Germany. And psychology is the study of the behavior. And coming to the next topic, that is what is the difference between psychologist and psychiatrist? So there is a lot of difference between psychologist and psychiatrist. Those who are giving guidance and counseling is known as psychologist, and his qualification is MA or MSc in psychology and diploma in guidance and counseling. And those who are giving guidance and counseling as well as giving treatment is known as psychiatrists. Psychiatrists can give the medicine as well as the counseling. The psychologists can give only the counseling and guidance. They didn't give the medicine, any treatment. So that is the major difference between psychologist and psychiatrist. So this is the main important aspects in the psychology. And before, in the ancient days, psychology is a part in the philosophy. At that time, every subject is in the philosophy, like philosophy, like psychology, like botany, zoology, chemistry, astronomy, physics, like that. All those subjects will be in the philosophy. Those who study the particular subject will known as the philosopher in physics, philosopher in psychology, philosopher in so and so, like that we will say. So but in the 1879, a German psychologist Wundt was established a scientific laboratory in Leipzig, German University. Wundt started the first psychological laboratory in Leipzig in Germany in the year of 1879. Immediately a new era was started. Because before the Wundt, all the subjects were involved in the philosophy. After the establishment of the first psychological laboratory in Wundt in Leipzig, Germany, Wundt, immediately it was known as the